What's up, guys? It's January 29th, 2025. Had a pretty tough day in the markets. I know I had a challenge. FOMC day today. I didn't trade it. I made most of my money on this leg, but I got tore up over here. It's definitely a hard day. Where are we in the markets? We're contracting, so got a big up, pretty big down. This bar happened fast, and now we're going sideways. Don't have an inside bar. Today's bar traveled. Yesterday's close was 105.50. Yesterday's high was 105.50. Today's high is 111.50, 105. So we tried with 6 points higher. Must have been on the overnight session. Okay, so yeah, so this bar here at 10 p.m. went 6 points higher than yesterday's high. So ETH is not a traditional inside bar, but the RTH is. Nonetheless, talk about today's price action. It'll be a quick one today. I kind of got beat up. I still finished today profitable, but today was definitely a challenge. I know some people in the Discord were getting beat up, but that's what it's about. We'll get started again tomorrow and keep pushing. Gap down. Bar one is a bear bar. Bar two is a pullback. Bar three is another bear bar looking like it can get a second leg. Nonetheless, we are in a trading range. We don't know this at that time, but it ends up being a second leg trap. Leg one, pullback. Leg two. Then we get a three-legged bull rally. Leg one, pullback. Leg one, pullback. Leg two, pullback. Leg three, pullback. Leg four. We have a wedge top into the high of the day, or you can say the EMA, and that sells off strong bar 9. This was my first trade. I took bar 10. I got filled here actually. It was the high, so I got filled here, and I held for a little too long. I was looking for 1-to-1, just generally what I look for, which would be the high of the day. I thought that was reasonable with this pressure, but then I got trapped and stopped out on 28, and then we'll talk about it. So we go sideways, and we start a bear channel. Big down, big up. Yesterday we had an uptrend. Today we have a gap. Yesterday we had an uptrend that ended off in a sell. We had a gap down, so leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three, pull back, leg four. Wedge bottom into support. FOMC, big up, big down, two-sided trading. FOMC doesn't have to do anything with that. It's that there's two-sided trading going on. We have a big down here. We have a big up. Again, two-sided trading. This is range bound price action. And we go sideways for almost the entire day. We have a bear channel with multiple legs. It's a really bad bear channel because there's lots of overlap. So we have one bear bar, two bull bars, one bear bar, two bull bars. And then that's kind of the pattern. One bear bar, two bull bars, one bear bar, one bear bar, bull bar, bear, bull, bear. And then we just go into a tight trading range. I actually ended up buying this high. I had to get out. I added to my position. It was bad. I was still kind of fixated on the high of the day and this being the trading range lows. Now looking back on it, I was trading in the middle of the trading range, but let's stick to the price action. So we have a bear channel. It gets a bullish breakout with 3 legs higher, leg one, pullback, leg two, pullback, leg three. This creates a wedge top that tests bar 9 low. Actually, I had my limit order set here and I pulled it and went long. So I quickly reversed my position because I would have been short had I got filled, and I made it back here. I took a little scalp and caught it good. 36 to 43. It's a bear sell-off that gets stronger. It's relentless bear bars. On a smaller time frame, we're going to see pullbacks here. Here's a small pullback. There's a pullback. Here's a pullback. And we get a bearish breakout of this range. This bar becomes so climactic. You have to think about the bear's risk. The bears that are getting short here, their risk is now very big. The risk is almost 30 points. They're going to have to reduce their position 50% of the time. Breakouts will fail of a channel. So here, this breakout failed. The bull breakout failed because they had 3 legs higher, leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three. This breakout failed, reverses. We get caught in this channel again. The bulls get 3 legs higher, leg one, deep pullback, leg two, pullback, leg three. Another wedge top into resistance that leads to 3 or 4 legs lower. Leg one, pullback, leg two, pullback, leg three, pullback, leg four. Or you could say momentum is restarting and this is a trading range. There's multiple ways to count legs. Leg one, pullback, leg two, pullback, leg three, pullback, leg four. Now we have kind of a big wedge bottom here. Strong rally, bar 61, deep pullback 62. That's a lot of overlap. That's not the best breakout. If you're thinking 62 is a breakout, it's not good. We have a lot of overlap here. Leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three. We have another wedge top. A lot of wedges in trading ranges. We have a wedge top here. We have a wedge top here. We have a wedge top here. We have wedge tops here. Everywhere is a wedge top today. All the wedge tops led to sells, sell off, sell off. That's a wedge top. I didn't call it that. Sold off. That's a trading range. Reset momentum. We get a wedge bottom. That's 3 legs lower into trading range lows. Then we rally, creating another 3 pushes higher. And again, wedge top, wedge bottoms don't have any. The names don't have anything really that important to do with the price action. It's what's going on behind the price action. I hope I said that right. So the wedge top shows the market failing to break out 3 times in one direction. Failed breakout, failed breakout, failed breakout. Let's try the other way. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3. Failed breakout, failed breakout, failed breakout. Let's try the other way. There's a leg 1 for the bulls in this candle and a pullback. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3. Or you can count leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3 on the lower time frame. That's going to be 3 pushes up, another 3 failed breakouts. We also have 3 failed breakouts here. That leads to 2 legs lower, 3 legs lower. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3, pull back, leg 4. Very hard to count legs in a trading range. Yeah, today was a challenge. Man, today was definitely a challenge. That's how I feel. Did I go over the daily chart? Yeah. I'm exhausted and I only took a few trades. So yeah, sharing pretty small. Let's talk about something here. Let's talk about this leg. It's gonna be a short one today because the price action was super sideways. You know, FOMCs are generally short half trading days anyways. So yeah, we can see 3 legs higher on the 5 minute. Right there, 1, 2, 3. Then we go to the 1 minute, and then we can see these legs better. Very deep pullback, trading range price action. We can even see a fractal 3 legs here. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3. I'm curious to see what that looks like on the 5 minute actually. Oh yeah, okay, that's that first wedge. I totally looked over that. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3, wedge top, deep pullback, bar 30. Strong rally 31, spiking. Another push higher. Leg 1, leg 2 for the bears. That's a wedge bottom. Breaks out. Leg 1, pull back, 2, pull back. So we've got a lot of things going on here. We have a wedge top here. We have a wedge top here. And we have a wedge top here. And then we have an overall wedge top here. So that's what we're going to look at. It'll be a quick one today. Then we have 2 trading days left. So we're going to bring it home. Get strong. Bring it home strong. You can tell I'm tired today. I'm not even saying real sentences. Leg 1, pull back. Leg 2, pull back. Leg 3, deep pullback. That was bar 30. We rally for another couple legs higher. Leg 1, pull back. Leg 2, deep pullback. This could be the 3rd leg for this wedge here. And then here's that last wedge we were just talking about. Leg 1, pull back. Leg 2, pull back. Leg 3. You could say that 176 is a wedge. Leg 1, pull back. I counted that backwards. Leg 1, pull back. Leg 2, pull back. Leg 3. Wedge top. Wedge top, wedge top, wedge top into resistance. So, and look at where did I just spot the bears having 2 legs lower? Here we can see this pullback. So on a smaller time frame, 30-second time frame, maybe leg 1, pullback, leg 2, second leg trap. We're retesting the breakout point, bar 35, bar 135 for the bulls. Rallies, leg 1, pullback, leg 2. We can just keep going down every time frame. Another time frame smaller, another time frame smaller. The idea is that price action is fractal, and it's important to understand that when we're reading so we can understand why did this sell off instead of rally. It was 3 pushes up. They tried 3 times in one direction. If we're trading 3-bar breakouts, there's pretty much nothing to trade until you get here, and that would just be a short. Yeah, you could trade here. This is not a bad trade. So you see 3 bars, you expect a deep pullback, bar 30, testing the low of 27, and it rallies for 1-to-1 with 2 legs. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I didn't count the pullback because that's where you would enter. So 3 bars here. Your calibrated expectations could be 6 bars and 2 legs. Leg 1, pullback. Leg 2, there's your 2 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the high of 36. I guess you would meet that in 5 bars actually. Today was a challenge. let me know how you guys did in the comments, because I know some people were struggling in Discord. I was struggling today. You know, I'm not a perfect trader. I'm still learning. So I think the more important thing is that we just keep moving forward, keep trading how we trade. I'm scalping breakout points, which is still a formation of second legs. This was my trade that I pulled last second because I saw bar 30 and I got stopped out nasty right here. So I'm going to work on that, and I would have met my 1-to-1 anyways. I ended up shorting 38 and I got out around 42. So it is what it is. Tough trading day. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in. We have 2 days left in the month. Let's end the first month of the new year strong. I'm still only one red day for the year, but today I felt the struggle. I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you for support. Have a good day. Oh my God. Okay, yeah, you guys have a good one. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.